Fry. She is frying a fish for dinner. Roast. She is roasting the chicken. Squeeze. Can you squeeze the lemon onto the fish? Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Grill. Grill the fish for 5 minutes on each side. Bake. We are baking bread in the oven. Blend. Blend all the ingredients together. Grate. Grate the cheese into a mixing bowl. Boil. The water is boiling. Chop. I need to chop the potato for the dish. Slice. Would you like another slice of pizza? Knead. I need the dough for the bread. Spread. Please spread some butter on this slice of bread. Steam. The kettle was steaming on the stove. Melt. The ice cream is melting. Sauté. Sauté the onion for 2 minutes. Pour. Don't pour hot water into the glass or it will crack. Pinch. She put a pinch of salt on her food. Sift. Sift the flour finally before adding to the mixture. Break. She is breaking an egg into a bowl. Peel. Please peel a potato for cooking. Mash. She is mashing the potatoes. Roll out. Roll out the dough again into a rectangle. Drain. I drain the pasta, then I share it out between two plates. Subscribe us for more videos English class time.